Well, Hara Hara Mahadev, as we know that the primitive man, the ancient man, looked up in the sky to gaze the stars and the constellations, and Indians' cosmological science had been a beacon to the world. So here at Devbhumi, Om, the divine soul of Devbhumi, in associate sky watching workshop, and obviously the CEO of the organization, Shuman Datta, is here with your friend Quizmaster Rajiv. We are planning to organize to set up a dome, an astronomical observatory, absolutely indigenously made, fulfilling the dreams of the Honorable Prime Minister, Make in India. So, this dome would be our gateway to watch the sky, the stars, the constellations, the moon, and the sun. And most importantly, apart from that, students from all over the world will be thronging to this beautiful place, seeing the snow-capped mountains, and most importantly, this association will not end here. We'll have observations on the flora and the fauna. A lot of things are waiting. Sky watching workshop will take us to a new dimension. We'll having astronomical quiz. So be with us, and I hope it would be a fantastic experience to watch. Jai Sri Kedar, Jai Matara, Jai Baba Bamdev, Hara Hara Mahadev.